Welcome to Santorini. Today we begin an epic journey along the Caldera Rim, walking from Fira toward immersive. Our tour starts in Fira, the island's capital. These white sugar cube houses have stood here for centuries. As we navigate the narrow alleys, you can feel the history and see the vibrant bougainvillea everywhere. The path begins to climb, offering increasingly dramatic views of the sparkling sea below. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content. We're now entering Fira Stefani, often called the Crown of Fira, offering a serene perspective of the caldera. One of the most iconic spots is right here, the Three Bells of Fira. This blue dome is a global symbol of Greece. Look at these incredible cliffside retreats built directly into the volcanic rock with views of the volcano. As we leave the villages behind, the path becomes more rugged, reminding us of the island's raw power. The air is crisp, and the wind carries the scent of salt. It's a moment of pure connection. We are now approaching immersive, the balcony of the Aegean, situated at the highest point of the rim. In the distance, you can see Scaros Rock. Once a medieval fortress, it now stands as a silent sentinel. Every corner in immersive is a photographer's dream, showing harmony with the environment. The morning light here is magical, making the white walls almost glow against the deep blue sky. From this height, you can see how narrow the island is, with the Aegean stretching out on both sides. It's important to take a moment to sit and breathe it all in. The silence here is as beautiful as the view. These pools seem to pour directly into the ocean, a testament to the island's modern luxury. Looking north, we can see our final destination, Oia. But that's a journey for another day. The craftsmanship in these chapels is stunning, preserving the island's spiritual heart. As the sun continues its journey, the colors of the island shift, revealing new depths in the landscape. Our first leg concludes here in immersive. We've seen the heart of Fira and reached the island's balcony. In part 2, we'll leave the villages behind and trek through the wild volcanic wilderness toward Oia. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content. I'm Eric Carey, and we're on a mission to reach a huge milestone, 1,000 subscribers. Hitting 1,000 subscribers represents our continued commitment to improve the channel and provide the best for you. Help us reach our goal by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell. Your subscription also helps us know what type of content you want to see more of. It's a shared journey. The goal is in sight, and with your help, we can reach it together. Join our growing community today. I'm committed to bringing you more value and better quality as we grow this channel to new heights. Thank you for being part of this. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for more updates.